In the grand bazaar of life, every living thing, from the tiniest ant to the largest elephant, is a shopper hunting for the best deals in food, water, and space. Just like people jostling in a marketplace, searching for the best bargains, nature too hosts its own version of a competitive shopping spree. Only here, the currency isn't money, but essential resources. Imagine a squirrel scampering to find the juiciest acorn, or a hummingbird zipping between flowers in search of nectar. These are all examples of nature's market in action. But it's not just about food. Animals also compete for other commodities like the perfect nesting spot or a mate. Think of a pair of stags locking antlers in a show of strength, each trying to win the attention of a doe. This is the essence of competition in ecosystems. Just like in a marketplace, the competition in nature helps maintain a balance. Intriguing, isn't it? So what does this competition look like? Well, it comes in different forms and sizes. First, we have interspecific competition, where different species tussle for resources. Imagine a cheetah and a lion both eyeing the same juicy gazelle. It's a high-stakes game where only the swiftest will dine. Then there's intraspecific competition, which happens within the same species. Picture two male deer locking antlers in a dramatic duel for the right to mate. It's like a real-life soap opera right in the heart of the forest. Moving on, we have exploitation competition. Here, one species benefits while the other suffers. Think of a pesky tick feasting on a poor unsuspecting dog. Lastly, we've got interference competition. This is direct competition where one species harms another. Picture birds squabbling over a pile of seeds. It's a feathery feud that can get quite heated. Whether it's a lion chasing a gazelle or a bird pecking at seeds, competition is everywhere. Competition isn't just about the here and now, it shapes the future of species too. Imagine the vast plains of Africa. Cheetahs, the fastest animals on land, are in a constant race against time and against their rivals. It's this intense competition for food that has influenced their evolution, making them swift and agile hunters. Likewise, consider the chameleons, the masters of disguise. Their unique ability to change color isn't a party trick. It's a survival mechanism, a product of competition and evolution. By blending into their environment, they avoid becoming someone else's lunch and also sneak up on their own prey. Competition is a grand catalyst for change, pushing organisms to adapt, to become better, to survive. It's not always easy or fair, but it's the driving force behind the concept of survival of the fittest. Through competition, nature selects the fittest, ensuring a dynamic and resilient ecosystem. But hang on, it's not always about the fight. Sometimes competition can lead to cooperation too. Take clownfish and anemones, for example. They've turned competition into a win-win partnership. Then there's niche specialization, where species share resources by using them in different ways. Yet we humans can tip this delicate balance through habitat loss or introducing invasive species. So, why does all this competition matter? Well, it's a crucial part of nature's balancing act. Competition helps keep populations in check, preventing any one species from overrunning the ecosystem. It encourages diversity, as different species adapt in unique ways to secure their share of the resource pie. And it drives evolution, pushing organisms to become better, faster, stronger. Remember, competition isn't about winners or losers. It's about balance, diversity, and the incredible dance of life on our planet.